Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right. We have a pasture-raised egg. We have some fresh farmers market tomatoes. Got some black olives. Got a slice of Colby Jack cheese. This is sourdough bread. Mayo, mustard. Hey, Mike Foster here. How's everybody doing? This is a fried egg sandwich. It was actually a challenge from one of my longtime subscribers, a Serious Salamander. Shout out to you, buddy. Well, with a name like a Serious Salamander, I don't know if you're a man or a woman. So shout out to you, and I'm picking up the challenge. I'm taking the challenge. I appreciate all your support. Help spread the word for Live Life 365. It's a great channel, right? You wouldn't watch it if it wasn't. But I'm going to do this fried egg tomato, and olive sandwich. Let's get that fried egg cooking. Check this baby out. All right, this pan is set on medium. Some butter to coat for a little. You just need a little stuff for the egg. Just a little. Mix that baby around. Put the egg down. Now it's happened before. You get a little egg shell. You use the shell. Use the big shell to get the little shell. It works. Let's give this baby a little pepper. All right. You know, all eggs are different. This one got really weird here, so I'm just going to trim this like this. See that? Little trim. And then make sure it's got enough oil. We're looking at about a minute there, and then the flipperoo. And then we'll put this baby together. All right. This is ready for a flip. Got a little brown because I think the pan was a little too high, but it's fine. We shut that off, let that go medium, then we'll put this baby together right now when that toast is ready. All right, we're gonna just put a little butter. This is slightly toasted bread. Not a lot of bread, not a lot of butter, and not a lot of toast on it. Now we're gonna put mayo on one side. With the mayo, what goes good with mayo? Tomatoes. Guess what? Perfect. Put a little mustard on this side. These are things that need to be done. Let's mix this mustard up. This is going to house the Colby Jack cheese. A little more mustard. Oh my goodness. Mustard gets crazy sometimes. There. We're not going to put all that there. Put some there for fun. Salamander, I'm doing it for you. Now we're taking these black olives and just, you can slice them, but if you're a professional like me, you just do it with your hands. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Well, I don't know how this is going to taste. This is Serious Salamander's problem, not mine. Well, it's going to be mine when I eat it. It's going to be great. I bet you it is. You better watch this and comment on it, buddy. A little salt on the tomato, because tomatoes love salt, and a little pepper. Since we're going crazy, I'm going to put a little mayo on here so it'll stick. Now we add that egg. Maybe I should have made two. But that's perfect. Let's do the flipperoo, guys. Oh, my goodness. Maybe this guy knew what he was talking about. All right, here's the presseroo. Oh, the egg is escaping the yolk. Here's the old sliceroo. And here's the reveal. Ooh, we're gonna do a close-up of this. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. Let's see how this baby tastes. There it is. Fried egg, tomato, black olive sandwich. Let's try a big bite. Sweetness of tomato and mayo gets you first, but then that mustard kicks in. And you know those olives are a little briny. Of course, the egg is great. Hey, it's a pretty good sandwich. Thanks, Salamander. Those tomatoes are fresh. Thumbs up. Check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. And tell people about it. Until next time, peace. Pretty good.
Live life 365.
Hey, there, little something from your Uncle Mike. I'm not kidding! Just a little trim. There, now it looks better, doesn't it? Snappy. Now we're gonna put I'm gonna move it this way, it's easier. There you go. Hey, oh baby, I'm in the middle of filming. That's for the outtakes. I set the camera too low, I have to bend over. If I stand up, that's how it looks. All right. Check out my web, you gotta try this one, man. It makes you go like this, sweet babu. I think I hit a home run, Baba. Baby?